Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials and then initiate pairing. Make sure your PC and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is on. That lets Discovery work faster. Sign into the Phone Link app on Windows with your Microsoft account and allow notifications. On the iPhone, install the companion app if prompted and grant permissions for local network access and notifications. Once done, tap Pair on both devices to create a secure connection and move to configuring features. Now focus on the detailed configuration so features behave correctly. On the iPhone, explicitly allow local network, notifications, and Bluetooth. Without local network, screen and file transfers fail. Back on Windows, accept prompts to access contacts, messages, and camera so calls, texts, and screen mirroring work. In Phone Link settings, choose which modules to enable messages, calls, photos, and set notification priorities. Make sure the status reads connected. If not, repeat Bluetooth pairing and restart the Phone Link app. Complete the setup by testing core features. Place a call, send a text, and transfer a photo to validate permissions. If something fails, restart the Phone Link app and the iPhone, then re-enable Bluetooth. That often clears pairing glitches. Make sure both devices use the same Microsoft account and temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls that block local discovery. If problems persist, remove the device from Phone Link and repair. This rebuilds trust and resolves most lingering permission or certificate issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.